Hello, welcome to Proceeding Onward in America. Well, I got a new project, my closet space. It's very tiny, so I decided to mostly fold my clothes, but it's getting hard to find my clothes. So I want to put a shelf right there, but can't really screw into this side because it's very flimsy. So, and I don't want to screw through this hole and end up a hole on the outside of the camper. So I came up with a project I stole from somebody else on YouTube. Thank you very much. I forgot your name. And I'm gonna put a shelf here. Let's get started. It's time to get to work. Let's measure it out. I need 19-foot height. And I need 2 of them. And since it's already 11 inches wide, but this one is only 19 inches long. So leave this on top of these two, and I'm gonna screw them together. So let's get cutting. Yes. I'm going to basically build it like this inside, so that way I can put my jeans down there and my shirts up here, or vice versa. Okay, let's go inside. Let's get this stuff out. Okay, I've been wanting to do this for a while now, but been lazy, so don't mind me. The other one. And then put this one in. Okay, basically like that. Now I got more shelf space. I can put clothes on the top, put clothes on the bottom, and I'll have more shelf space. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna probably drill them. It's a tight fit, so I don't really think it's gonna rock or go anywhere. As you see, very, very tight fit. They're not going nowhere. But I'm gonna still drill some screws right in there to keep them in tight and secure. It's gonna be very tight in here, so work with me. This should help me out. I'll just put 2 more in on the back side. That's a tight fit. It's a small closet, only 11 inches and a quarter. This I need a right angle screwdriver, but still worked out. Nice. If I want, I can kind of paint it, match the color, tan it, whatever. I'll worry about that another day. Now I'm gonna go and pack up all my clothes inside, and we'll see how much of a result this came out to be. final result. All my pants at the bottom, nice and rolled. Still got more space for to fit to the top. All the jackets, coats in the back, and all my shirts and t-shirts right here on the top. And the bar is removed. Thank you for watching this video. If you please give me a thumbs up if you like what I did to my closet space cabinet. And thanks to Totally Charlie as well, card right above. I got this idea from him, so I decided to peek off of it. Thank you. And please, please, if you have any other ideas that you would like us to do, just comment down below. Becky appreciates this because she loves reading your comments and loves to respond as much as possible. You can purchase anything you want through our affiliated link in Amazon, and just helps us out a little bit. 10% of it don't cost you anything. Don't forget to like us, subscribe, and follow us on our Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter account, including our Patreon account. Thanks for watching again. Always be fantastic.